basically all around random misfire. However, I'm going to delete all codes and start the car and have a look what's going on there. Cylinder number 4 plugs good for me. Third one, this is the suspect one, gone. Right, you can see no compressor at all. Keep going. Right, okay. Welcome to the channel. I'm Charlie from Sanumotors. This is Nissan Qashqai 2015. Basically, vehicle has a misfire. I'm going to check with the computer first. Basically, ignition coil number 1 or ignition coil cylinder number 104 pending codes. Ignition coil 2 or ignition cylinder 2 and 3 pending. Basically all around random misfire. However, I'm going to delete all codes and start the car and have a look what's going on there. Now all cleared. I'm going to check any code left. At the moment you can see as it is no any faulty code. I'm going to switch off the car and start the car. I can hear the knocking noise also inside the engine. I'm going to the engine bay. Right, gone. Okay. Look like to me it's sucking more air. Turbo somewhere not right. We already cleaned the codes and take to the road test. See, still I can't find any faulty code through the computer. However, I'm going to leave it everything as it is and go to the engine bay, remove all plugs and coil pack. Leave it separate. I can see this one someone changed before. See the number 2. See the number 4. I'm going to remove number 3. And I'm going to leave it order cylinder number 4 plugs good for me. Look like to me cylinder number 3 plugs, little bit oil there and bit black when I compare with the 4 one. Cylinder number 3, something not right. Two also not bad. We'll see how is the number 1. Number 1 also fine. However, I'm going to check compressor cylinder number 3 and 1, 2, 3. At the moment, cylinder number 4 okay with me. I'm going to check number 3 and 1, 2. Yeah. Accelerator fully down. Yeah. That's it. That's it. 125. We'll see what happened to the third one. This is the suspect one. Gone. Right. You can see no compressor at all. Keep going. Right. Okay. Okay. This is the problem. No compression in 3 at all. Yeah. Now we know the problem. What's the causing for misfire? Basically, cylinder number 3, no compressor at all. Basically, this is common problem for the Qashqai 2014, 15, 16 cars. I done many before. Basically, what happened? Piston fail. That's why the problem piston ring fail. Basically, dealer recommended for new engine. By experience, I know piston burn. Basically, we call hole in a piston. You know now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and follow my channels. You can get a lot of useful tips and video like this. See you in the next video.